Hi everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. Let's take another trip to the Mediterranean. This time we're gonna make roasted red pepper hummus, which is so simple, I don't even think you'll believe it. I can't wait to show you how this all comes together. Today we're going to do another Mediterranean treat. We're gonna make some roasted red pepper hummus. This is gonna go along really beautifully with that delicious traditional tzatziki that we presented the other day. You can put these two things on a platter with crispy pita and soft pita and some fresh veggies and some cubed feta cheese and make a beautiful Mediterranean style appetizer platter. To get started, you're gonna need two 15-ounce cans of garbanzo beans that you're going to need to drain and rinse, and that's what I have here. I have about a half a cup of roasted red pepper strips. If you buy the kind that come just like whole pieces of pepper, I would use about 4 of those. And then I have about 4 cloves of minced garlic. Really important to any hummus is tahini. This is sesame paste. You really can't get away with making hummus without it. I mean, you can, but it's not going to be the same. I have about a 1/4 cup of lemon juice, a 1/4 cup of olive oil, and if I didn't say, there's a 1/4 cup of tahini also. And then we've got all of our flavorizers, which I bumped the cup before I put it over here, so it got all mixed up. There's a teaspoon each of cumin, smoked paprika, onion powder, salt, and pepper. And all you have to do is put this in your food processor. If you have a high-powered blender like a Vitamix or a Ninja, you might be able to do it in there, but I would just put all of the ingredients in there at one time, blend it up, and use your pusher to get it all well blended. So today I'm using my mini Ninja that I've had for years because no other food processor that I currently had works. So we're going to kind of do this in steps. I'm going to pour the garbanzo beans in here, and then I'm going to waz them up. We just get those broken up initially a little bit, and if you have to push it down, go ahead. But at this point, we can go ahead and add in all of our other ingredients because that's going to help it blend up better. There goes our roasted red peppers, our copious amount of garlic, lemon juice, tahini, which is ground sesame seeds. Now look, fun fact, if you don't have tahini, if you can't find tahini, and maybe you don't want to go to the expense of buying some, you don't really have to. You can use almond butter in here if you like. You could probably even get away with unsweetened peanut butter as well. And all of our seasonings and our olive oil and all of that goodness just goes right on in there. We're gonna snap this lid back on and blend it up. Okay, now we're gonna just get in here and check it. It looks like our consistency is really, really good. And we're done. I'm just gonna give this a taste off the spatula. Oh yeah, that is so good. Oh wow.
Oh yeah.
Super flavorful. And look, if you like yours a little on the spicy side, go ahead and hit it with some cayenne pepper. I only used a teaspoon of smoked paprika, which tends to be a little on the spicy side, but this is not spicy at all. This is a perfect blend. Wow, it's really, really good.
It is.
I'm gonna go ahead and put this on a platter, and then we'll come back and we'll give it a taste and we'll let you see what it looks like. Well, there you have it. Our roasted red pepper hummus all ready to serve up. Today, I'm just serving it together with some crispy pita chips, but you can do a whole platter. I'm learning about different types of foods from the Mediterranean, and they have something called a mezze platter, if I'm saying that right, but it's usually served with hummus and tzatziki and maybe baba ganoush. It also comes with marinated vegetables like artichoke hearts and mushrooms and marinated feta cheese and fresh vegetables like tomatoes and cucumbers and little baby peppers. And I am going to be making one of those very soon on the channel with a couple of ingredients that I think are fun and easy to access. And this is something that's wonderful to have on hand when friends drop by. You can quickly make a little bit of a spread just on a little tray and everyone's going to love it. It's just the perfect nosh. So, are you ready to try this?
Oh, yes.
And I just sprinkled the top with some more smoked paprika and I drizzled it with some olive oil. And hummus is really good for you.
Pretty good.
My girls love hummus. That's delicious.
It is.
This has a perfect balance of flavors. You, of course, can adjust the seasonings to suit your taste. I think they're perfect the way they are. You can taste everything. The lemon, the garlic, the garbanzo beans, the olive oil. everything. You can taste everything in there, even the tahini paste. This is what I have. I actually got this tahini paste from Walmart. When I did my grocery order, I was really kind of surprised that they had it, but I like it because it's in a very small container and I didn't have to buy like a whole quart of it, which can be kind of expensive. You can use unsweetened almond butter or unsweetened peanut butter in a pinch. You're really only using 1/4 cup, so it's not really that big of a deal. But it is integral to the hummus recipe and it helps it remain creamy and smooth. You're going to want to store this in an airtight container in your fridge. It's going to last up to 2 weeks and you can freeze this. If you're just going to stick it in the fridge, I recommend you put a little olive oil on the top before you put it in the fridge and seal it up. If you're going to freeze it, don't do that. But you can freeze leftover hummus for a later date in a smaller portion and you're good to go. Just thaw it out, stir it up, and enjoy it. So that is how you make roasted red pepper hummus. Quick and easy. I hope you give it a try and I hope you love it. And until next time, I'll see ya.